Hello everyone, welcome back to Nakshatra Rubik's. Today we are going to learn how to solve this Pyraminx cube in a very easiest way using beginner's method. This is one of the very easiest cube to solve. Actually these cubes can solve by 5 years old as well. So why late? Let's get started and let's solve this cube together. First let us learn few basics about this cube which is very important to solve the cube. You have to hold the cube in two hands like this, one corner on your right and one corner on your left. Hold two corners and this will be your left corner. If you turn one layer from your left side, that will be your left side, and if you turn one side from your right hand, this will be your right layer. Okay, and next comes the top layer. This will be your topmost layer. We call it as upper layer. Right layer, left layer and top layer. Okay, don't forget, this is very important. And these are the tips of the cube. You can twist like this. See, these are the tips of the cube. Totally there will be 4 tips in the cube. You can twist it like this. Okay, and next comes the center of the cube. There will be 3 centers. Okay, here I'm going to show you. These are the centers of the cube. Here there will be 3 centers. See, and next comes edges. Okay, again there will be 3 edge pieces. Edges have 2 different colors. Okay, like this, one block has 2 colors. Okay, edges, these are the 3 edges. Now let us shuffle this cube and start solving. Okay, first you have to shuffle the tips of the cube. Just twist it one time and it will get shuffled. Once the tips are shuffled, you can turn all the layers and shuffle it. You can just randomly twist and turn to shuffle the cube. Okay, now the cube is completely shuffled. Do you remember, first we started shuffling by twisting the tips of the cube. Now we need to start solving by matching these tips to its exact identical colors like this. You have to twist it and match it to the other color, to the center. If you match it in one side, the other side will automatically get matched. So twist all the 4 tips and match it to the exact center colors. Okay, you can see here all the tips of the cube is matching with its exact center. Once the 4 tips of the cube is matching, next step is to match the 3 corners. We call it as 3 friends making. Okay, first we have to look for the topmost corner. The topmost corner is yellow here, and we have to match the other 2 corners with the same color. The second corner matching is very easy. You can just do right down, left down, right down, left down, and you will get the second corner on any one side. Once you're done with the 2 corners, next step is to bring the third corner. You have to just rotate the other side and check whether the third corner is coming. The third corner is not coming, then keep the 2 corners in the bottom. The third corner will come in the top in front of you. Okay, now you have to face this third corner in front of you. For example, I'm showing these 2 corners. If it is in left side, you have to rotate the down layer and bring it in front of you. That means one should be on the right and one should be in the left like this. Or else if it is in the left or right side like this, again you have to twist the down layer, bring it in front of you. Wherever the first 2 corners, you have to just rotate the down layer and bring it in front of you, and then you have to do right up and left up to match it with the third corner. So here all 3 corners are already matching. So this is the first step in Pyraminx solving. So you not only with yellow, you can try this with any color of your choice. You can even try with red, blue or green. So once three corner matching is done, keep it in the bottom. Next step is to fix the edges of the yellow to bottom to complete the yellow color. Here you can see edges on the top and in the down layer. If it is in the down layer, we cannot fix it. We have to fix the yellow edges which are only in the top layer. Okay, so now here I have my yellow on my right side. Yellow friend is green. The attached wala piece you have to look. So make sure the yellow should sit on the green line. For example, if now yellow is here, yellow friend, okay, attached color is green, so we have to make the yellow sit on the green line, that is the bottom line should be green. Rotate the down layer and bring green line in front of you, because we are fixing yellow and green to the bottom. That's why fixing is very easy. Just make sure the yellow, if it is on your right side, right should go down first. Okay, so whichever the side yellow fixing color is, that should go down. Right down, right up, left up. That's all. It got fixed. Again we have to search for one more yellow. Here one more yellow is in the down line, which cannot be fixed directly to the bottom. First we have to get it to the top by doing R-U-R-I. So now yellow come to my left side. Here I'm gonna see yellow friend is red. Okay, so I have to make sure that yellow sit on the red line, because yellow friend is red. Bring red line in front of you. Yellow is on my left side, so left should go down first. Okay, now do left layer down, right layer down, left layer up, right layer up. That's all. Yellow got fixed. Here you can see completed. Full yellow is completed and the down layer of the cube is also completed. This is how we solve one color in this Pyraminx cube. After completing one color on the down layer, next comes we have to solve the top layer of the cube, which comes in three different cases. I'm gonna explain all three cases. Please watch the video till the end completely. When you see the cube here, the two sides of the cube have one single different colors and only one side have two different blocks. Okay, the other side have only one block of different color. Here you can see. Okay, first of all you have to understand that the front blocks which is having two different color, you have to face it. This we call it as eyes of the cube. Okay, we call it as eyes. Here the eyes of the cube has different color. Next we need to check the fronts of the eyes. Okay, both the front color of the eyes are same. Here you can see here red and red, both the fronts are same color. This is case number 2. Okay, why? Because the two eyes in front of us is different and the fronts are same color. So you can see in this cube we have red in common for both the eyes. So now face the two different eyes in front of you. Do this algorithm. L-I-U-L-U-I, then left down, left up, right up. That's all. The cube got solved. This is very easy. So here comes our next case. After completing one color and also the down layer, so if your cube looking somewhat like this, that means all the sides having two same color eyes. Here you can see two blue, two red, two green. I'm having same color eyes on all three sides. This is case number 1 and it is very easy to solve. The algorithm for case number 1 is R U R I U R U R I U. Keep repeating R U R I U. Keep repeating until you complete the whole cube. That's all. See, now you can see the whole cube is completed. This is regarding case 1. Here comes the last case, that is case number 3. Again, after completing the one color and the down layer, if your cube is looking like this, just turn the top layer and match the top corner with the bottom line. And then just like case 2, here the two sides have one eye and one side have two different eyes. Whichever the side we have two different eyes, we have to face it. Here we have simple difference between case 2 and case 3. In case 3 we have two different eyes, but the front's color also different. Here you can see green front is blue and blue friend is red. Green and blue are two different eyes, but the friend's color is also different in my cube. In case 2 we had two different eyes, the friend color was common, but in case 3 two eyes also different and two friends also different. This is the main difference between case 2 and case 3. Now let us learn how to solve this case 3. To solve case 3 we don't have any exact formulas. It is very simple to solve. First you need to check which color is on your right hand side. My right hand side is green color, the color of my left eye. Always the color of left eye will be on your right hand side. So whichever the color is on your right hand side, you have to keep it in the bottom. Okay, next we have to fix the edge to the bottom. Here green is in my bottom and green friend is blue, so I am making the green to sit on the blue line and fixing the edge just like before. Down down up up, and again here I have one more green friend is red, green is sitting on the red line, green is on my left side, so left down, left up, right up. That's all. Cube got solved. This is how you solve case number 3. Very simple. This cube can be solved in less than 10 seconds if you learn properly. So here I have taught a beginner's method of solving cube in a step-by-step procedure. Please watch from the beginning and try to solve on your own. If you get any doubts, you can leave a comment on me. I will do reply for you. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you. Take care. Happy cubing. Bye-bye.